Product features: make pretty good espresso in relatively short time if only you have ground coffee and hot water ready. Portable design: simple and fast to use. Hand-operated coffee machine: you can prepare amazing espresso anywhere. Quiet when making espresso: you can have an cappuccino on your way to work. Innovative, using good pump pressure to brew hot water through ground coffee quickly with fun and ease. Manual espresso. Product specifications: color, black material, food grade plastic, capacity of water tank 18 milliliters/282 ounces, suitable coffee powder dosage 7G/025 ounces, average operating pressure 8 bar/.